Well, all right. Well, once again, we get to combine a little bit of geometry with algebra. And so here we find on example 3, page 415, 3a and 3b, it says find x and y so that each quadrilateral is a parallelogram. In other words, we're going to assume that they are, in fact, parallelograms by this definition. And in this first example here on the left, well, in order to be a parallelogram, the opposite angles have to be congruent. The opposite angles have to equal each other. And so we can pretty simply solve this. Let's solve for x first. So given that this is going to be a parallelogram, then 7x must equal 56. And we can just simply divide both sides of this by 7, and x is going to equal 8. Now, what about the y's? Well, again, we're given this as, this is this angle measure, this is this angle measure. They must equal each other. So we could set this up this way. 5y minus 26 equals 4y plus 4. And let's see, let's add 26 to both sides, and let's subtract 4y both sides. And once we do, 5y minus 4y equals y. The 26 minus 26, 26 cancel, positive 4y, negative 4y cancel, and y is equal to 4 plus 26, or y is equal to 30. All right, over here in the second example, we have it's similar, but we have measures for the sides. And again, to be a parallelogram, both pairs of opposite sides must be congruent. So this side has to equal this side, and this side has to equal that side. So let's go about solving for x and y. So we can say then that 5x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 4. And we're going to subtract 3x from both sides and add 2 to both sides. And we're combining like terms. And so then we're going to get 5x minus 3x gives me 2x. Negative 2, 2 cancels. Positive 3x, negative 3x cancels. And 4 plus 2 equals 6. Divide both sides by 2. And x is going to equal 3. All right, let's get on our y's. All right, we can say 4y minus 9 is going to equal 2y plus 5, because once again, both pairs of opposite sides must be congruent. They must equal each other. Let's subtract 2y from both sides and add 9 to both sides. And 4y minus 2y gives me 2y. The negative 9 and the 9 cancel. The 2 and the negative 2y cancel. We got 2y is equal to 5 plus 9, which is 14. And we're going to divide both sides by 2. And y is equal to 7. This truly is my favorite part of dealing with geometry, where we can combine algebra. If I'm not mistaken, though, in this chapter, some of the homework, we have to take a step further, and we may have to, I can't remember if it's this chapter or not, where we have to do a little bit of systems of equations to solve. Maybe. I know it comes up somewhere in here in this chapter 6.